Hi, it's Emily. Thank you so much for clicking today's video. So for today, we're going to be doing my third video in my Zodiac series, and this look is going to be based off of the Aries, since the Aries starts in March. Aries are bold, passionate, and natural-born leaders. Their natural determination and confidence helps inspire others to do the same, and I just absolutely love Aries. Since they are a fire sign, I wanted to create this really fiery, passionate, bold look to really help bring out their sign, and I actually have a close friend of mine who's an Aries, and I think that she's really fiery, really passionate, and she's not afraid of anything that ever comes in her way. And so I was thinking about her when I was making this look, and I was like, you know, this is like her soul. This is like her passion and fire that comes out of her being an Aries. And so I hope this helps represent the Aries look well. And I will make sure to link my previous Zodiac videos in the description bar down below if you want to see those. But if you want to see how I created this look, then let's jump into the tutorial. As always, you want to start off by priming your eyes, and I'm going to be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And for today's shadows, I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles Artistry palette, and I'm first going to go in with Flashback and set my primer. And I'm first going to be going in with 518 and building that up in the crease. I'm then going to be going in with Rusted and putting that in the outer corner as well as the crease. And then I'm just going to go in with a little bit more 518 in the brush we used for that and blend out those edges. I'm then going to be taking just a little bit of You're Kidding and adding a little bit more depth to the outer corner. So I'm now going to be going in with the star of the show, and that's going to be the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop's loose pigment in the color The Ram. And this is the color that's going to help represent the Aries look today, and I'm going to put this all over on my inner lid. So I'm first going to go in and put the NYX Pigment Primer on my lid, and then while it's still tacky, I'm going to follow that up with the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop loose pigment powder in The Ram. So now I'm going to be taking a little bit of Spooky, which is this dark black, and I'm going to be stamping it on the outer part of my lash line to enhance the lashes. I'm then going to lightly go over that with the brush that we used for You're Kidding, just to make sure that it's more blended and not harsh. To highlight under my brow bone, I'm going to be going in with Ring Light. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, foundation, and concealer off of camera since I do that in all of my videos, and then I'll be right back. Now after I did my brows and base, I just want to do a warm blush that complements my eyes, and so I'm going to be going in with Provocative from the Warm Master Palette by Morphe. So now I'm going to be going into my under eyes, and I'm first going to start off by taking You're Kidding Me and smudging that out on the lower lash line to connect it with the upper eye. I'm then going to take a little bit of 518 and then smudge out the rest of the lower lash line. I'm then going to take that same brush and pick up a little bit of the Ram pigment and spray that with some setting spray, and then put that just in the center of my lower lash line. I'm then going to highlight my inner corner with Ring Light, and then I'm going to use that same highlighter to highlight the rest of my face. Then I'm going to go in with my mascara, and I'm going to use my usual, which is the Pixie by Petra Double Brush Mascara. Okay, so now it's time for the lips, and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm first going to be taking the Fenty Matchstick in Ridic and putting that all over my lips for the base color that I want. And then here's the part that's a little bit different, and you don't have to do this part. You can always just stop at this lip or do a different lip that you prefer. But I'm first going to be taking a little bit of this Fenty Beauty lip gloss right here in Diamond Milk, and then I'm going to be taking some of the Ram pigment, mixing some of that together, and then lightly putting that on top of my lips for a little bit of a gloss. Alright, and here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll make sure to link my previous Zodiac videos down below, and make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future Zodiac videos I'll be coming out with. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.